Today we are replacing the front brake hoses on the Ford Ear Fairmont. So it's a pretty simple task. We're going to be putting in this brand new hose. Check if your new one is the same length so we can put them side by side. Yep, they're the exact same. So some tools, a little spanner, screwdriver or punch, hammer, and this penetrating spray. So a bit of a overview here of the setup. You have your brake hose here, connects via a circlip that locks it in place here. This here is the circlip, and here's your brake line. So you want to undo this nut, remove the circlip, take it out, new hose in, circlip in, nut on. That's it. Let's do it. First step, loosen this nut holding the brake line to the mount. Okay, there it is. Right, so this clip, you want to turn it around so the other end, the split end, faces the front, so you can then hammer it out. So I'll put it on the end, that end. There it is. There's your circlip. Now the brake hose. Pull down. There it is. Let's install our new brake hoses. There it is. Brand new. Just pop it through the hole. Like that. Then tighten down that nut. Okay, so you want that nut thing to sit flush against the bracket, and there you go. Now you're going to add in the circlip and you are done.